Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to be doing a total product overview of the Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. It's a powerful and intelligent vacuum for whole home deep cleaning. It has the Dyson illumination feature which reveals invisible dust, has 3 different cleaning modes for the right balance of power and runtime, and intelligently reports particle pickup, which is just like a fancy way of saying that the LCD screen displays the count of pickup particles, the runtime countdown, and maintenance alerts. It's got a runtime of up to 60 minutes and comes with all these cool swappable heads and a wand clip holder for snapping onto the extension wand and then clicking it into 2 swappable heads for easy access while on the go. So I will be going over why I got it, the assembly of it, go over features and functions, show it in action, answer top FAQs, and talk about the one thing that I love about it. So I have multiple reasons for grabbing this vacuum. First, we're huge fans of Dysons. We've got the Dyson air dryer, we've had their vacuums in the past, and James Dyson is like just a personal hero of mine. So because of that, and because we've had their products in the past, it's made it just a safer investment when getting this. Second, we needed a vacuum that could work on all different types of floors. So we've got like every single floor imaginable in our house. We've got hardwood floors, we've got tile, carpet, concrete, rugs, and we just needed something that had versatility. The third reason is because we have kids, and they tend to make frequent daily messes everywhere throughout the house. And the final reason is because we have a dog who is phenomenal, but sheds endlessly. And because of his hair color, it's nigh impossible to actually see it in our furniture, floors, and around the house. So what we needed was a vacuum that was effective and could work on all those different types of surfaces, was powerful enough to like snatch up all of the pet hair in the carpet and furniture, strong enough to pick up food and crumbs and other stuff my kids would leave on the ground. And then finally, we needed a vacuum that had a long enough runtime that with an empty dustbin, I could vacuum the entire house all in one go. So if you're looking for a vacuum for any of the same reasons, simply like, heart, or give a thumbs up on this video, stop watching, and just go and buy this now. It will be the best purchase you make all year. But if you'd like more details and to see this little bad boy in action, then stick around. It's worth watching to the end. First, we'll go over the swappable heads, starting with the motor bar cleaning head. This is your workhorse. You'll use this 90% of the time. It'll work on all of your floors, so it'll work on hardwood floors, tile, rugs, carpet. It even works on like cushions and couches and stuff. And this will be the one that you basically just leave on the end of your extension wand and when you're vacuuming. Then you have this crevice nozzle for picking up fine debris in corners or hard to reach areas. Then you have this 2-in-1 brush, or what Dyson calls the combination tool. Simply pressing this button retracts back the brush head and reveals this like scraper head to remove like crusties on floors and surfaces. And then the brush head is good for removing dust from like sensitive surfaces or furniture. Then you have one of the coolest heads of all, the Fluffy Optic TM Cleaner Head. If you have OCD, want to feel productive, or that you're actually making a difference in the world, this is your guy. First, you can remove this like little fluffy cylinder to wash and clean it when it gets too dirty, and then just stick it back in the head for resuming vacuuming. But the neatest feature about this is when activated, it like shoots out this little green kryptonite laser that like detects hidden dust, and then with that, plus the Dyson Dust Illumination feature, it reveals like all the particles you can't normally see. And so like with it being precisely angled to make like invisible dust just like magically appear on hardwood floors, you get the like scratch that OCD itch that you have when you just see it like gobbling up all the debris and hair and dust and everything else in the path. It's absolutely amazing. Honestly, if you're a clean freak, this will be your new hit, like elevating you to the status of clean junkie in the vacuum world. This thing is amazing. Finally, you have the hair screw tool, which is freaking dope. I love sticking this on the end of the cyclone and then just going to town on my furniture and snatching up all of the pet hair and my wife's long blonde hair. Then we move on to the cyclone itself. This is actually the first Dyson I've seen that doesn't have the trigger on the little holster part. The power button is actually on the top of the cyclone found here. And then when pressing it, it activates the cyclone and illuminates the LCD screen on the back. Then, by pressing the button right below the LCD screen, it'll display like the different modes if you want to operate in. So you've got eco mode, you've got auto mode, or you've got like turbo boost mode. And then you also have the option for like switching languages as well. Then, to access the filters, you simply rotate the purple part here, turning it counterclockwise, and then just pulling it off. You'll take this part, you'll run it under water and rinse it off, you'll let it air dry for like 24 hours, and then simply insert it back on, rotate the purple part like clockwise until it locks into place, and then you're good to go. So when the filters actually get dirty, that's how you access it, that's how you clean it, and that's how you insert it back on. Now on a full charge, I can do our laundry room, our kids' room, the bathroom, the playroom, this little book nook, a guest room, all of the stairs, the living room, the dining room, the kitchen, the mud room, this little entry room here, our bathroom, closet, and our entire master bedroom all in one go. Another great feature is how easy it is to empty out the dustbin. And this is key because this dustbin ain't big. So like basically every time you give this vacuum a whirl, you're gonna need to empty out its container. The way that you do this is by simply grabbing this little lever here, push this end of the cyclone, then just giving it a couple of pats, empties out the remaining debris, and then you simply just close the lid and retract the entire bin back into place, and you are good to go. Charging is pretty simple as well. So after you've actually vacuumed, you're going to want to like charge this little bad boy up again. And the way you do it is you simply plug it into this little port found here. And then if the battery is actually attached to the cyclone, then the LCD screen on the back will actually show how much battery charge it has. And then finally, Dyson has made it so that the batteries are actually detachable with this model. So you can simply remove the battery and have it be the only compartment, like the component charging, so you don't have to like lug around your cyclone to actually charge it up. So if it isn't obvious by now, it's sleek in design, simple to use, versatile in function, powerful, effective, and can vacuum my entire house all on a full charge and empty dustbin. It works great on hardwood floors, carpet, rugs, tile. It picks up all of my dog's hair on furniture, the constant messes my kids make, and cuts my cleaning time from 2 to 3 hours to a little under an hour. It takes 3.5 to 4 hours to fully revive it from dead mode to full-blown God mode, and then has up to a 60-minute runtime and includes those nifty little filters that are washable and reusable, so you don't have to buy extra filters, which saves time, money, and hassle. So yeah, it's great. Especially because of all the stuff it's picking up from the ground with that like green kryptonite little color illuminating laser that like shoots out of the vacuum from the fluffy optic TM cleaner head. My OCD thanks you, Dyson. Bravo, bravo. So that's my product review of the Dyson V12 Detect Slim Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. And if you've gotten this far in the video and found it in any way helpful or informative, even if you end up going with another vacuum, I'd really appreciate just a simple thumbs up or a heart on the video. Over and out.